In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect your BlackBull Markets account to TradingView. By the end, you'll have your BlackBull Markets brokerage securely linked to TradingView, so you can manage your account and place trades directly from your chart. First, log in to TradingView. Open your browser, go to the TradingView website, and sign into your TradingView account if you're not already logged in. From the top navigation, open a chart. You can click Chart and load any symbol. The connection works the same regardless of which chart you open. You should now see a full chart with the toolbar and panels around it. Next, open the trading panel. At the bottom of the screen, look for the tabs under the chart. Click the Trading Panel tab to reveal the list of supported brokers. This is where you connect your TradingView chart to your brokerage account. From here, select your broker. In the Trading Panel, use the search field or scroll through the list to find BlackBull Markets. Type BlackBull Markets if needed, then click the BlackBull Markets option to highlight it. This tells TradingView which broker you want to connect to your account. Now, connect. Click Connect on the BlackBull Markets tile. A secure login window will appear for BlackBull Markets. Here, enter your BlackBull Markets client portal credentials. These are the same username and password you use to access your BlackBull Markets client portal. Type them carefully to avoid login errors. If your browser offers to save the password, you can choose whether to accept or decline. It won't affect the connection. If you're prompted for any additional verification, complete it as requested to continue. When your credentials are entered, proceed to sign in. Once that's done, authorize the connection. On the verification page, you'll see a prompt asking you to confirm that TradingView can connect to your BlackBull Markets account. Click Allow to confirm the link. This permission enables TradingView to read your account details and place orders through your broker. If you're unsure, you can pause and review the prompt. Clicking Allow is required to complete the connection, and you can revoke access later from your broker settings if needed. At this point, you'll be redirected back to TradingView, and your account will be active. Give the page a moment to refresh. In the Trading Panel, you should now see BlackBull Markets listed as connected. Your account name or number may display, along with your account balance and status. On the chart, the Buy and Sell buttons will become active, confirming that TradingView is linked to your BlackBull Markets account. If you hover over the broker area in the panel, you should see a connected indicator. That's your confirmation that everything is set. To recap on screen, you logged into TradingView and opened a chart, opened the trading panel, selected BlackBull Markets, clicked Connect, logged in with your BlackBull Markets client portal credentials, clicked Allow to Authorize, and returned to TradingView where the account now shows as active. From here, you can place orders from the chart, manage positions, and use TradingView's tools with your BlackBull Markets account without leaving the platform. Your BlackBull Markets account is now connected to TradingView and ready to use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.